Okay guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to improve the quality of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So now this is my videos. This is my video. I want to improve the quality of this video. So the first thing I might want to do is to go to my project tutorial here, and yours might be here, whatever your interface might be. So just click here and then adjustments layer. So I then click OK, and then it gives me an adjustment layer, and then I put it here. Then I want this adjustment to be applicable to all my video, so I have to drag it all over my video. I have to drag it all over. Let me zoom in. Okay, I drag to the very end. Yeah, so I have it at the very end. Let me zoom out again. So yeah, I can now add the effects that I want. You can search for color. I want to use Lumetri, so color, I'm going to see Lumetri now. So Lumetri color, so put it on this adjustment. Most time when people want to color correct, they use adjustment layer to color correct, so that whatever it is that they put on this adjustment layer, whatever is beneath this adjustment layer, it will actually take on the feature that they've actually put on this adjustment layer. It's actually a good way. So I've added the Lumetri color now, so I have to do everything I want to do. So these are things that you can just play with, but the major things that I always use are what I want to show you in this video. So let me just go to the curves and come down. So I can drag this down a little bit. So I drag this down a little bit, and then I can go to this color right here. Let me see, I can drag it up and down depending on what I want to do. You see, yeah, so let's drag it down a little bit. You just have to play around with it to note which one is better for you. I like to increase my red a little bit, so I increase it a little bit. So let me go to green. I'm coming to green now, so let's see what. Yes, let me increase the green a little bit as well, and then let me come to my blue. Is it to increase or to decrease? You see, let me leave it at this. So I have that. So let's go to another one, hue and saturation. No, let me go to another one. Let's check basic correction. We have shadows, white, black, exposure. Let's check what is there. No, we don't want it like this. So let me just put this at 0.4 minus 0.4. Contrast, it makes me my shades very dark, so let me just leave it as 12. Then highlight is brightens me a little bit more, so let me leave this as 16 or 15. So shadows, so let the shadow be on, yeah, it's good like this. Let's be on 10. Then white, I don't think I used to use all this, but let me reduce this. Let me use it as 17. Blacks, no, I don't really need this. Let me just put it as minus 17. So you will see, and then let's come to hue and saturation. So this is where you can change your picture to black and white if you want, but I don't really want this, so let me just place it somewhere where my video is still a little bit okay. And if you've done something that you don't want, you just have to click here, it will undo it. So I don't think I really want anything here, so let me check. No, I don't think I want this feature, so let me just come down. This is another one. This is hue and luma. You can just play around with it to get what's best for you. Yeah, this is okay. Then you can come to color wheels and match. see whatever it is. These are, see, these are also changing it, but I don't need this, so let me just undo it. So we can check vignettes too, midpoint. It's not really showing anything, so I don't want it. So yeah, so that's how to color correct. So let me just show you the difference between what we've done, because you might not really know the difference now between what we've done and what we have before. So let me just remove this, and so that we'll see what we have before. You see, this is what we have before, and this is what we have now. It's more cool now, and the over brightness we have before, we don't have it anymore. So it's more cool now compared to what we have before, that just bright like this. So, and if you also play with it very well, you can see some other functions that you might like. But this is the effects that many professionals use, part of the major tools that many professionals use to correct their video quality. So you see, this is the difference. This one looks brighter, but this one looks more cool. So that is it for color correction. And also, let me teach us how to do a little bit of audio cleansing to enhance your audio. So let me go back. Let's see the audio.
Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together.
So we've actually do a lot of cutting here. So I want to apply a general feature to all the audio. So what I want to do is to group the audio back into one. So what I have to do, just to nest, and then it's grouped now. The audios are grouped now, so I can add any feature that I want. It will add to everything. So let me just, first and foremost, I like to always denoise. Let me go to my audio effects, and then denoise. Yeah, so I have that.
And then the first one I'll be introducing is what we all know as because.
So I want to add audio gain. Just press G on your keyboard to audio gain it, and then to bring you this it will bring you this, and then you can audio gain it by 10. So if you audio gain, if there's noise in your video too, the noise will increase, but since you put the noise, there's high tendency that the noise will not be amplified anymore. So it would have increased in volume. Now let's see.
And because in Yoruba is netori.
You see, now we have it. The voice is louder now. So the other thing I like to add is bass, audio effects. I like to add bass, and then add bass to my audio, and then increase the bass by maybe like 5. Yeah, 5. So let's see what goes.
Conjunctions are words that join two sentences.
So I like the bass. So I also like to put a little bit of treble. So a little bit of treble. Yeah. So let me increase the treble too by let me like 3 or 4. Yeah, the treble lets my voice increase more. It gives like this sound to my voice.
Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together. And then the first one I'll be introducing is what we all know as.
You see, that's what we have. So we've done the audio, we've cleaned the audio and then enhanced it, and then we've also enhanced the video. So let me once again, let me take this adjustment layer out, so you see what we have. You see, this is what we have. This is what we have without the adjustment layer.
And because
but having the adjustment layer, this is what we have. Yeah, this looks more cool.
Another
so that's it. Thank you very much, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.